The bachelor word for bees is mabi. As pollinators, they play a vitally important role in our environment. The Fraser Coast Regional Council has placed a number of native bee hutches, like this one here at the Botanic Gardens at Urangan, in parks right across our community. But don't worry, these native bees do not sting. There are in fact over 2,000 species of native Australian bees, and interestingly, most of them are solitary. Only about 10% of them form hives like this here in the Botanic Gardens. Native bees pollinate Australia's beautiful and unique wildflowers and are a vitally important part of our bushland. You can help take care of native bees by planting something they like in your own garden, and they're fantastic for gardens. They love bottle brushes and melaleucas. One type of plant they really do not like, and which is in fact fatally toxic to them, is the introduced species, the very beautiful species, the African tulip tree, which was planted right across the Fraser Coast for many years. This large tree with its bright red flowers was a very popular tree to plant across Queensland as a street tree in parks, gardens and private homes for many years, particularly in the 1960s. However, we now know much more about this introduced species, and it is in fact listed as a Category 3 restrictive invasive plant under the Biosecurity Act. These bright red flowers, which are so attractive, are in fact fatally toxic to our native bees. Their lifeless bodies actually collect in the flowers. Over the past year, the Council has proactively removed about 50 of these trees from public places in the interests of the bees and our natural environments. The removal of each and every one of these trees is helping to make the Fraser Coast a better place for the bees, who are so important for our environment. In our lives, we can all take steps to help and improve the natural environment. Every positive action contributes to a larger collective effort to make our community and our region a better home and habitat for all animals.